Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going to review and demo the Makita LXT concrete vibrator. And I bought this one with an 8-foot hose or wand. And I have 21 yards of concrete to do today. So we're going to put this to the test, and I'll let you know what I think. Now this one came with the case for the batteries and the charger, and I got two 18 volt batteries with it, and they say it'll last all day on one battery. So let's find out. We're gonna pour 21 yards, and I'll let you know what I think. Let's get started. The guy with the concrete vibrator, he's basically using it, pushing it into the mud all the way down to the bottom and out, just straight down, straight out, every 2 feet. And that seems to work pretty good. You don't want to overdo it. If you over vibrate something, you could cause blowouts and stuff like that. But right now it's flowing really well. And this is a good shot mounted on the hose. Here's another shot from the side. You can see the guy using the Makita vibrator every 2 feet, just straight down and straight out, and that's the way you want to do it. These guys did a really good job. It was a hot day. The first batch of mud was really good. The second batch of mud was a little bit, I would say it was going off a little quicker, but they managed to get it done. And you're only going to see about 12 inches of this foundation when it's all done. And the top plate for framing mounts on the top of this wall. And so, yeah, you don't see much of it, but they did a really good job, and it's going to look good. Right here, we're getting down to the corner. Thanks for watching this episode of Outlaw Woodworking. I have to give this Makita concrete vibrator a thumbs up. Not only did we do the whole 21 yards, about 188 feet of 4-foot high stem walls, but the battery, it never did run out. Matter of fact, it's still going right now. And it has the right amount of vibration to really do a good job. And basically what we did was we ran it straight down and straight back up about every 2 feet, and it worked really well. So I would have to give it a thumbs up. I would recommend it. I'll put a link in the description where I bought it. I got it off Amazon, and I believe it was around 500 bucks. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.